bird.
Hi. I'm making a vlog.
It's a dove. A mallard's a dove.
That's not what I meant. I know what a mallard is, but never mind. Hi. I'm making a vlog. I doubt you can hear me. If you can, you're an amazing iPod.
I need to stop doing this.
I got choked.
We're in this mall in this place because we're coming home from Gatlinburg.
What mall are we at?
I have no idea. We're in like
Something that started
some
with A.
place, Chattanooga.
I'm like making faces. Wait, don't do that! It's a nice iPod. It's new. From $16. There's a Bath and Body Works here. I still want to go. I don't know, but look.
What?
I love Bath and Body Works. Like in this giant mall of doom. And I don't know where the rest of the youth group is. I saw Luke over there a minute ago.
Some over there and some over there.
Hello?
They're mostly over there.
Hi. No.
And
I don't see
Jacob.
any of them.
Okay.
They're right there. Right
see
there.
ya.
Okay, I see them
Look,
now.
I'm pointing.
I can't see him in the camera. But you can only see all of them. This is such a stupid vlog. So stupid.
Yeah, ooh, my hair actually does kind of look good.
My hair looks...
You will eat 35,000 cookies in your lifetime.
There was a sign that said that.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you will eat 50,000 cookies in your lifetime. Unless you're a cookie addict and it doesn't work.
Okay, that's
It's
Talon.
not 35,000.
And that's Emma. I'm watching her do a vlog. Well, I'm doing a vlog. It's a vlogger doing a vlog.
It's a vlogger doing a vlog.
Get it.